That's the final result of my baked tilapia in the air fryer. I used a frozen tilapia, yes, a frozen tilapia, and that was the result after 14 minutes. If you like it more crispy, you can go up to maybe 20 minutes for a frozen tilapia. It was so delicious, moist from the inside, and the mixture of butter and herbs and garlic gave it a very good flavor. Stay with me to see the recipe. It's very easy and you will love it. It's a good dinner idea. Add some rice, quinoa, and some vegetables, broccoli, string beans, and you have a complete dinner. My recipe for today is an air fryer tilapia. I have some frozen tilapia here, some melted butter. I will add some salt to the butter, black pepper, some garlic, fresh garlic or dried garlic powder. Depend on the quantity of your tilapia. Some chili powder or cayenne pepper if you like it a little bit spicy. Some oregano. Give it a very nice flavor. And some parsley flakes, dried parsley flakes. If you have the fresh one and you want to use it, you can chop it and add it there. Then we mix everything together, and that's the mixture that we will apply to the tilapia. You can use it for any other kind of fish or even chicken. So now I'm applying this mixture to the frozen tilapia. You can apply it to even the thawed one. You see how it gets frozen here? Because the tilapia is still frozen. I will finish putting all the spices to all the tilapia from both sides. It smells good already, these spices. And this is the tilapia after I spread all the butter and spices into it, butter and herbs and garlic. Now I will put it in the air fryer. For the air fryer, I will turn it on first, then put air fryer here. And temperature, I will do like maybe 2 minutes to preheat it, or 3 minutes before I start adding my tilapia and start. That's it. I preheated the air fryer. I spray it with some olive oil or any spray you like. I will put the tilapia right here. Second one. Put it on the air fryer. I will use air fryer. I will make it on 400, no, temperature is 400, and the time I will start with, I will do 10 minutes and see, start. Now this is after 10 minutes, push it back. That's the tilapia, but it's not totally crispy. I will add other few minutes to become crispy. Air fryer, window 400, and the temperature. I will add 10 minutes, but in 5 minutes I will check. Air fryer 10 minutes, but in 5 minutes I will check. Now it's almost 4 minutes past. I will stop it because I start smelling it. I will stop, then check. For me, this is good. That's first 10 minutes, and 4 is 40 minutes. If you have a frozen tilapia, it looks really good. Let me show you. This tilapia, really good. But if you want it more crispy than this, you can add more minutes. But for me, this is enough. It's done from the outside, and it's still moist from the inside. It's perfect. That's the tilapia. I'm getting the second piece. That's the tilapia. It was frozen directly to the air fryer. Look. It's still all soft. But it's nice, cooked nice, but it's also soft from the inside. So delicious and nutritious. That was the idea for today for dinner. Tilapia, baked tilapia in the air fryer. When it's frozen, it will take no more time to cook in the air fryer than if not frozen. And that was perfect for me. If you want it more crispy, you can always add another 4 or 5 minutes. But if you want it moist from the inside and well done, 40 minutes was good for a frozen tilapia. And you see how it looks, delicious and nutritious, and really it was delicious, this recipe. You can add some starch like rice or quinoa with it, and a piece of vegetables, asparagus or cauliflower, broccoli, string beans, any vegetables you prefer, and it's a complete dinner. Thank you for watching. See you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy.